Yaon na po kita sa Category 3 and 4, ROTC Company Mas, ROTC Sponsors, WATC. Entry number 1, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, San Jose, Pili, Camarines Sur, Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Nico Gumtang Moros, First Class. Corps EXO, Cadet Major John Paul Blanquera, First Class. Corps G1, Cadet Major Kent Ian Laideros, First Class. Corps G2, Cadet Major Christian San Esteban, First Class. Corps G3, Cadet Captain Domingo Cerniches, Second Class. Corps G4, Cadet Captain Rosalie Nones, Second Class. Corps G7, Cadet Captain Nani Ford Bolaños, Second Class. Major Leader, Cadet Major Lynn Candelaria, First Class. Band Leader, Cadet Major Ray Anthony Candelaria, First Class, ROTC Company Commander. Cadet Captain Angelo D. Arquilla, Second Class. Company EXO, Cadet First Lieutenant Jobert Buban, Second Class. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Nixon Agrida, Second Class. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant John Ralph Dires, Second Class. Third Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Paulo Occidental, Second Class. ROTC Sponsor, Company Commander, Cadet Captain Ninette Sarasa, Second Class. Company EXO, Cadet First Lieutenant Katrina Lu Yu, Second Class. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Mary Joy Simba, Third Class. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Myla Malati, Third Class. WATC, Company Commander, Cadet Captain Maricris Reporsado, Second Class. Company EXO, Cadet Captain First Lieutenant Jacqueline Dubas, Second Class. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Angelica Canon, Second Class. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Second Lieutenant Rosibel Undisimo, Second Class. President, Dr. Alberto Napere. Vice President, Dr. Ana Miranya. Director, Melchor B. Abunal. Reserve, Philippine Navy. ROTC Coordinator, Master Sergeant Hener Bascuña, Reserve, Philippine Army. ROTC Commandant, Lieutenant Colonel A.D. Radasa, GSC, CAB, Philippine Army. Assistant Commandant, Colonel Ramon Pontanal, Retired Philippine Army. Matron of Sponsor, Dr. Maria Lourdes Bascuña. Band Director, Lyndon Salcedo. Major Trainer, Jamerson Valencia. Mga tugang, entry number 1. Bicol, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, hali po sa San Jose, Pili, Camarines Sur. Mabanos, entry number 1, Central Bicol State University of Agriculture, hali sa San Jose, Pili, Camarines Sur. Masunod, Entry number 2,